Everyone thinks the best-selling roll-up truck bed tonneau covers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, heavy-duty truck bed tarp. The mid-size truck bed tarp cover caught my eye right away. Priced at $69.59, it's made from 600D heavy-duty material and promises protection against snow, rain, and dust. If you want affordable protection for your truck bed, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a universal size that fits popular models like Toyota Tacoma and Ford Ranger, this tarp is designed to keep your cargo safe from the elements. The 12 elastic cords ensure it stays in place even on the highway. Users appreciate the durability that comes from its heavy-duty construction, making it a solid option for anyone needing reliable coverage. Now, some people complained about the fit. Here's the thing though, this might not be a deal breaker if you're handy and can make adjustments, but if you're looking for a perfect fit right out of the box, you might want to consider something else. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need something that gets the job done without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you want a more polished look or a custom fit. Now, if the fit issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more tailored design. Product number 2, Soft Club Waterproof Tarp Cover. Next up is the upgraded truck bed tarp cover from Soft Club, priced at $110.11. This one really caught my attention with its 600D Oxford fabric and 12 adjustable bungee webbings. If you want serious weather protection for your truck bed, this is worth a serious look. The thoughtful design, which allows for full access to tail lights and the tailgate handle, means you won't have to sacrifice functionality for protection. Plus, it's flexible enough to cover cargo that's a bit higher than your bed rails, which is a game changer for those of us who carry taller items. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be tricky to install if you're not careful. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, you'll appreciate the snug fit it provides. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you're not very DIY savvy. This is perfect for you if you need something tough and reliable to protect your cargo in all weather conditions. Skip this one if you want a quick install solution without the hassle. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for full bed access. Product number 3, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up. Let's talk about the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau cover. It fits 2019-2026 Ram 1500, and even though the price isn't listed here, it's pretty popular. If you're looking for easy access and a sleek design, this is worth a serious look. The heavy-duty marine-grade vinyl cover is not just durable, it also rolls up easily when you need full bed access. With a built-in tension system, it keeps the cover tight and wrinkle-free in all weather conditions. Plus, the installation process is straightforward, needing no drilling, a major plus for those who like things simple. This cover has received positive feedback from over 200 buyers recently, highlighting its ease of use and durability. Now, some people have pointed out that it requires small holes to be cut in the bed liner for proper installation. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with making a small modification, it's not a big deal and the payoff is worth it for the convenience. This is perfect for you if you want a cover that's easy to use and maintain. Skip this one if you're not comfortable making modifications to your truck. Now, if you're looking for something with even more versatility, the next product is definitely worth considering. Product number 4, Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold. Next, we have the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau cover, designed for the 2019-2026 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500. While the price isn't specified, this cover is well liked by users. If you appreciate trifold functionality, this is worth a serious look. It folds up easily, giving you full access to your truck bed when you need it. The pre-assembled crossbars add support, making it easy to install and maintain. With hundreds of units flying off the shelves, it's clear people are impressed. Now, some users have mentioned that it doesn't fit models with a Carbon Pro bed. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard truck bed, this is an excellent choice. It's really designed for those who want a reliable cover without the fuss. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use cover that blends convenience with durability. Skip this one if you have a special bed type that isn't compatible. Alright, that last option was great, but if you're a Jeep owner, the next one is just for you. Product number 5. Tiger Auto T3 for Jeep Gladiator. Finally, we have the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau cover compatible with the 2020-2026 Jeep Gladiator. The price isn't listed, but it's been a hot seller recently. If you're a Jeep owner looking for a cover that fits well, this is worth a serious look. Made from the same durable marine-grade vinyl, this cover is designed to withstand the elements while offering a sleek look. The tri-fold design allows you to quickly access your cargo, and the installation is a breeze with no drilling required. It's specifically made for Jeep Gladiator owners who want protection without sacrificing style. Now, some users found it a bit tricky to fold back completely. Here's the thing though, it's a small learning curve, and once you get it right, you'll love the way it functions and looks. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, durable cover that fits your Jeep Gladiator perfectly. Skip this one if you're looking for a more universal option. Now that we've covered all 5, let's wrap it up. So there you have it. We've explored 5 of the best roll-up truck bed tonneau covers. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options like the mid-size truck bed tarp or something tailored for your Jeep Gladiator, there's a cover here for you. Just remember to consider what features matter most to you, from durability to ease of access, and choose accordingly.